We first set eyes on Triumph's new Rocket 3. Now Triumph are billing the new Rocket 3 as the ultimate motorcycle. The all-new 2.5 litre triple is going to deliver 170 PS of power and 221 Newton meters of peak torque. That makes it the most powerful bike that Triumph have ever made, beating both the current Speed Triple and the last iteration of the previous Rocket, which both put out 148 horsepower. The peak torque of 221 Newton meters is huge. Triumph say it will make it the world's highest torque delivered by a production bike. Triumph claim that the new bike will be 40 kilos lighter than the old one. The silencers on the TFC being supplied by Arrow and having carbon end tips. Brakes will be Brembo style emmers. The rear monoshock will be a fully adjustable shower unit with piggyback reservoirs, and there'll be LED lighting, a TFT dash and an interchangeable pillion seat.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.